bad. Let me persevere. I'm determined to get to work, even if there's nobody there. Off I go then. It's just about an eighth away. Carry on going, innit? Well, I'm headed to Murfield. The cyclist coming. And well, I'm headed to Murfield. I'll carry on then. I'm headed to Ravensthorpe. A bit quiet here. Not many people at road. Can't see anyone. So roughly around about a third away. Oh, fucking hell! Not an enormous one out there, but I'm already about halfway. So now, I decided to turn back. It's just a start going back as it's coming. And I've knocked my bike over. God knows how many times. It's just gotta try and keep riding it tracks. There's no way you can. You just gotta keep to tracks. So as soon as you come out of it, you're straight off. I just got up that hill there. I've lost the light. One way. Snapped off when I went cycle track. Past halfway. About an hour and a half later and I made Halifax Road. Quite quiet. Fallen off a few times. I made it this there's always somebody there when I get to work, I told myself. Now I'm gonna go down there. Should be fun. Where is he gonna go up there? Brave. He's not getting up there. Some cars are just not right for snow. This will be interesting. This is steepy still. We'll see what I get on up here. Bradford Road is moving, not very fast. I took me moving terrain as well. Anyway, it's only about 2 hours to get here. The main road looks like. Yep, it's certainly an adventure. I'm absolutely knackered. Better work out the mini Jimmy session, Luke. Something else. Get going a bit further. That's far to go now. I'm heading to Quarry Lane. It looks like I'll probably have to push it unless I've gritted it. It's just absolutely crap, it just spins all over the place. What time is it? Oh, it's only 20 past 8, I'm not even late. Come all the way from Bradley, and best bit of gritted road we can actually ride on is what Louis Forterra's done. Look at it, I ride one-handed up here. Couldn't ride anywhere. Certainly been an adventure. Don't recommend it. Don't recommend it. Finally made it. Had a shower, changed my clothes, and I made it to work. 2 hours. Just about 2 hours it took me. I feel absolutely knackered.